No, no, no. You're absolutely wrong because you're not getting paid per day. You're not getting paid hour, but instead you're getting paid per minute. Yes, that's right. Every single minute you'll receive your earnings and your payout. It happens fast, and it doesn't involve any social media, no selling, no surveys, no difficult tech skills. In fact, this is by far the easiest system for brand new beginners to make their first $500 online while letting others do all the work for. Now this opportunity is available worldwide, including United States, Australia, Canada, Europe, UK, India, Philippines, Indonesia, or any other country in the world. And this is 100% free with no investment or credit card needed. Make sure you watch until the very end as I'll show you a magic trick in the bonus strategy to get everything done for you. And all you have to do is simply copy and paste to start making money, so make sure you don't miss out on that. But before we start, welcome to Gain Access, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated, and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy, and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, I want you to go ahead and go to Skillshare.com. Basically, when people come over to this website, they can look for different online workshops, video trainings, and different courses to learn about something or learn a new skill. And let's say, for example, when you click on this browse button on top, people can come over here to learn something. For example, animation, to learn about graphic design, or maybe even learn about music or photography. There are so many different classes that people can join and watch different videos on this platform. Now you might be wondering, how are we supposed to make money from this website? And no worries. That's exactly what we're going to talk about next. Now, when you go onto the homepage of this website, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom. You can see under the teaching section, you will see Become a Teacher. And I want you to click on this, and then you're going to come onto this page where you can sign up for a free account and become a teacher and start uploading videos on this website. And no, 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 no. Don't worry, you don't have to create any videos. You don't need to be in front of them, cause I'll show you a special trick on how to get pre-made and done for your videos to upload right away. So this is going to be much easier than what you think. And I'll show you everything step by step right on this video so that you can start making money starting today for absolutely free without any investment. First of all, this is how teaching works on Skillshare.com. You have to create your first class, and then you have to upload videos on this website. And whenever people join and watch the video, you can start earning money on this website, and they're going to pay you every minute. Yes, you heard it right. When people watch your videos, watch your classes, you get paid every single minute. And there are a lot of people who are making tens of thousands of dollars a year on this website by simply uploading video. When you look at this section, you can actually earn money on Skillshare, true monthly royalties based on the amount of minutes that people watch your videos, plus a referral bonus. I want you to keep watching this video because I'll show you a special bonus way to earn even more money by getting referrals on this website. Income stream number 1. You can just simply upload videos. You can earn money per minute on this website 24 hours a day, even 7 days a week with no limits. Now, income stream number 2. You can get the juicy commissions and referral bonus on complete autopilot using my strategy. So now, all you have to do is just go ahead and click on this green button here. You can start a class, and you're going to come onto this page. You can see where you can actually upload videos on Skillshare.com, so that when people watch your videos, you can earn money online. And when you click on this upload video button, you can actually upload a video on this website. And don't worry, because in just a moment, I'll show you where to get free videos. So you can just simply copy and paste and re-upload on this website, so you can start earning money right away. So make sure you keep watching. So right now, I'll show you a few real-life demos. Now, When I click on this browse button, and then you're going to come onto this graphic design page, there are over 1 million followers. The thing I like about Skillshare is because all you have to do is just upload the videos, and there are millions of people and visitors who come over to Skillshare every single day to look for videos and classes to watch and learn about something. Learn about a new skill, and you could tap into this, go by opportunity, and can be the one to make money online by leveraging this incredible system. For example, this video playlist, as you can see here, there are so many videos on just one single playlist. Each of them is just about 1 minute. All of them. They're actually very simple and very short videos, so you can upload on Skillshare.com. And every single time people click play and watch your videos, and boom, you earn money, as simple as that. This is a very good opportunity for you to earn passive income, because once you copy and paste the video on here, there are people from all over the world. They're going to find your videos on Skillshare organically, without you promoting those videos. Let Skillshare do all the hard work and promotion for you to bring the people onto their website to find and watch your videos and make you money even while you're sleeping or traveling. You're working on something else. The passive income is still rolling like clockwork. I mean, how does that snap to you? Well, isn't it awesome? As you can see here, there are a lot of people actively 24/7 watching videos on these playlists. So we're going to do exactly the same thing and start making money on Skillshare. The next thing that I want you to do is to go ahead to renderforest.com. As you can see here, this is the website that we are going to get videos for absolutely, so that we can upload on Skillshare.com. This is a very reputable company where you can come on here to create logos, videos, and mock-up websites. You can create so many things, but we want to focus on creating videos. So you just have to go on top of this toolbar right here and click on these create videos. And you're going to come up to this page, video templates that fit your needs. The reason why I love RenderForest so much is because you can get a lot of this video template for absolutely free, and there's so many options and choices that you can choose from. As you can see here, they're all very professional and done for you. You can just click on a few buttons and you can get all of these videos with no investment. And again, you can do everything on your mobile. Or you can do this on your computer as well right now. I want to give you my own preferences. This is my recommendation for you to choose from this whiteboard animation toolkit. The reason why this is so popular is because there are a lot of people that actually like whiteboard learning, and it is very suitable to be uploaded on Skillshare.com as a training course. All you have to do is just click on this right here, and then you're going to come up to this page, which is Whiteboard Animation Toolkits. There are a lot of people. They are using it. They are loving it. This is over 4.4 to 5 stars out of 5 stars real quick. It is a whiteboard template, a tutorial video that teaches people a new skill set. They are professional, and you can use all these done for your template. When you scroll down below, you can see the different videos that's created by other people using this template by just clicking on a few buttons, which I'm going to show you right now without any tech skill or experience. Now, all you have to do is just go and click on this Create Now. And then you're going to come up to this page where you can create a new video. Now, there are 3 options right here that you can choose from. Just go and click on this Create button. You can see there are many ready-made stories, done-for-you templates, and tutorial videos that you can just get everything done for you on this website. For an example, web development, cloud databases, social media, there's so many training videos that you can get for absolutely free, and you can use them on Skillshare.com. And by doing that, you can start earning a lot of money online, just like what these guys are doing. People are just earning consistent, passive income every single month, month in and month out. Let's say, for example, you want to do one video about online education platform promotion. All you have to do is just go and click on this video, and then they'll show you a preview about this video template. So all you have to do is to watch the video. You can just go and click on this blue button, use this ready story, After that, they'll pop up a new page where you can edit something on this video. But again, everything is done for you. Basically on this website, all the storylines, all the timelines are done for you. You can change the text, change the wording on this page, or customize anything. If you want to, for example, you can just click on this add text to actually change the tags that you want, and you can change whatever texts that you want. And once we click on this, they're going to change on the video itself. So it's actually very easy for you to change the tags. But once again, everything is done for you. You don't have to change a lot of things. And once you finish changing and playing with the text of each video right here, you can just go and click on the style and proceed to the next step. Basically right here, you can choose a bot drawn or cut paper style. Both of these styles are actually pretty good, but personally, I will select a board drawn. I'll click on the style of writing, and I'll go ahead and click on the third step, which I have to choose on the colors. This is all the custom colors right now. I can actually choose whatever color that I want. I can go ahead and click on confirm, and I'll change the color to blue, but it's just very simple where everything is just clicking on a few buttons. Pretty much, no. Once you've finished choosing your colors, you can go ahead and go on to step number 4, where you can choose music. Once again, this is all done for you. They've selected the corporate motivation music right here that you can use, or otherwise you can find hundreds and hundreds of different music that you can use in different categories. For example, rock music and cinematic, and you can choose whatever you want and just click on preview to listen to the background music. And I can just go and click on the preview, which is the final step. You don't have to pay a single dime on this website. This is 100% free. And you can get this video download on RenderForest, and you can repeat the same method on different templates, different videos, even using different storylines, and create different tutorials videos. And you can upload them on Skillshare.com, and that allows you to make money every single time. People click, play, and watch videos on Skillshare. And this is a very good passive income earning method for people from all over the world. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell if you like to earn more. Check out our other cool videos.